Hello traders, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Sira EA MT5. This is one of those robots that look pretty clean at first glance, but once you read between the lines you start to see what it's really doing under the hood. So we'll break down what powers the strategy, what the developer actually claims on the product page, the features and settings that really matter, and then I'll walk you through my own backtest results and how they compare to the market. And by the end, you'll know if this is something you should even consider putting on a live account, let alone a prop account. Before we dive into it, you can download the free Forex robot from MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so Sira EA is sold as a MetaTrader 5 expert advisor for $60 and it said that it uses multiple trading logics, mixes indicators with price action, and places pending orders instead of just firing market entries. On paper, that sounds like a step up from the usual grid or martingale hype we see all the time. But the thing is, when you actually read the description carefully, there's a bit more going on. It's not pure safe trend following, like some might assume from the screenshots. There's a recovery element built in, and that changes the entire risk profile. So let's walk through exactly what the developer says this EA is doing. Alright, so according to the developer, as you can see, Sira EA is built around 4 separate trading logic modules using a combination of price action, indicator values, and market conditions. And it says it's designed to work with pending orders and custom risk management options. So you can set your fair risk management options. Alright, and as for the strategy conditions, it says the Sira EA combines the following technical components. We have the RSI indicator, 50 period simple moving average SMA, candle volume, and the relative price position. And it claims that when entry conditions are met, the EA places buy stop or sell stop pending orders. Entry logic is based on version 1.4 of the algorithm. So as for the key features of the EA, we have the optional target level and percentage of fixed value defined by the user. Stop loss can be activated optionally, as if you want. You can do it or without it. And the optional logic for adding a second trade with larger volume after a defined price offsets. It's important to note that this is non-martingale. Okay, trade cycle ends once the configured performance target is reached. Automatic lot calculation based on account balance. Active trading hours can be defined by the user, and then Friday trading can be enabled or disabled. Right, so what are the user guidelines? Okay, he claims it works on multiple instruments, and the suggested symbol is EURJPY on the 30-minute time frame. So we're going to be carrying out our back tests on or using the suggestions from the developer to see if it actually meets up with what we have in the screenshots below, which we'll be getting to very soon. Okay, so as for the file and platform compatibility, it's delivered as a compiled EX5 file, does not use DLLs or external libraries, and is compatible with MetaTrader 5 accounts that offer low spreads. Alright, so let's get into the developer's test results. Okay, as you can see, the initial deposit was not stated here, but we have a total net profit over the period of $606,936. The profit factor was 2.59, which was pretty decent. And we have a balance drawdown of 11.43%. Taking a look at the equity curve, you can see it starts off a bit slowly and then picks up over time at the mid-range, and then you have the sharp upside or the sharp movement to the upside when you get further to your to the right hand side of the chart or the graph. So it looks pretty decent, and I'm just going to quickly check this out, compare it to my own personal backtest, and see how it looks. If the developer's claims actually holds up, and if the developer's tests actually hold up when we put it through strenuous testing and our own personal backtests. All right, so I'm quickly going to go to MetaTrader 5. And like I said, we'll be working with the developer's recommended pair, which is the EURJPY on the 30-minute time frame. All right, so we have a custom period of 1 year from 2025 April 1st to 2026 April 1st. Our initial deposits was $10,000, and let's look at the results we got for the 1 year period. So like I said, the initial deposit was $10,000. And for that, we have a total net profit of $1,113. Okay, that looks pretty decent. Okay, the total trades taken over the period were 64 trades, and we have an equity drawdown of 4.13%. All right. As for the graph, let's take a look. Okay, so it's a bit similar to what we have on the developers page in that it started off with steady movements towards the upside, which gets more aggressive the further you go towards the right hand side. You know, as time goes on, the more it trades, you can see that the equity curve gets sharper, goes higher and more aggressively towards the upside. You can see that's shown clearly here in the mid range, where it has kind of a boost towards the upside, even if it's not like the straight curve we had on the developers tests. You can see that we have descent upside here on our own equity graph, especially at the furthest right of the graph. So it kind of looks identical to what we have, and it looks like the developers claims actually hold up for the EA when trading on the recommended pair and time frame over the 1 year period that we choose for this backtest. All right, so it actually looks good on paper, though it's recommended you should also do your own backtest to be sure it actually falls in line with your own trading strategy and risk appetite. So as for who is for, if you're an experienced EA user, you understand drawdown maths, and you're comfortable digging into the settings to tune risks, Sira EA can be an interesting candidate to test on a demo or a small live account. You want to pay attention to whether the second trade feature is on or off, how that big second trade is relative to the first, your maximum allowed drawdown, and purpose if you're using funded capital, spread and execution on your specific broker. If you're a beginner or you want a simple hard stop one shot system where every trade either wins or loses cleanly with no averaging, this is probably not for you. The recovery element and the dependence on execution conditions make it a poor fit for set and forget expectations. Alright, so that's my honest take on Sira EA. It's more thoughtful than a lot of EAs on the market, but it's not a magic box. It's a directional system with some smart filters plus a recovery layer that can help or hurt depending on how you configure it and what the market is doing. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button. Leave a like, it really helps the channel. Like I said, subscribe if you want more no nonsense EA reviews like this, and let me know in the comments which robot you want me to review next. And don't forget, if you want to experiment without risking a lot of money up front, grab that free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 in the description. It's a good sandbox to test ideas and see how automated strategies behave before you commit serious capital. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.